You know, just here, just investing life. Welcome back, guys. It's Bigbennz here, and yes, as you can tell by the title, we're back here with another passive income gem. Now, before I go on, please subscribe to the channel and leave a like. And if you guys feel like you want to invest inside of these projects, you can. I will leave all of the information down in the description, including the website. So today's project is called Maticstaker, as you can see. And so far, I would say it has a very simplistic layout to the website. But yeah, let's jump into the white paper. So it says, earn up to 20% daily on your stake Matic. Now, personally, I like to use these kind of platforms to, just to build up my bag inside of, for example, the crypto winters, or when the markets are going through a little harsh or rough weeks, and that's the honest truth. So it says, Maticstaker is a ideal investment program developed for the Polygon community. This contract is designed to warn the community, especially at this time that the crypto market space, or the crypto space, is experiencing some heavy market fluctuation. This is the best time to put your Matic into yield returns and gain good ROIs. But I mean, if we earn it 20% daily, I think is a very good ROI. This is a community-driven project. We encourage every member of the community to invest a small percentage of their gains so as to sustain the lifespan of the contract, which is always a good gesture. That's the honest truth. This on-chain investment program is very secure. The contract has been studied and verified to be 100% safe. To be 100% safe, I'm not too sure about 100%. To be close to 100% safe is what I would say, because at the end of the day, I don't think any crypto project out there is 100% safe, and that's the honest truth. But clearly they think. I'm not saying that it isn't, but I'm just saying, for me, I don't think any crypto project out there is 100% safe. With the features included, the contract will be able to sustain itself for a very long time. The contract started on the 10th of February, which is today. The features of the contract are basically, to start off, there's a 10% withdrawal free, which is reinvested into the contract, so basically for sustainability. I mean, 10% is very steep, but it's manageable. Basic interest rate, which is only for the new deposits, is plus 0.5% every 24 hours, which is understandable. So for example, if you are gaining 8% every day, I guess after the first day, after the first day, it'll be 8.05%, and then 8.10%. I guess that's how it goes. The minimum deposit is 10 Matic. I guess that's around 20 US right now, or probably around 20 US. There's no maximum limit. 10% is imposed on every investment, and 5% is reinvested into the upcoming MSK token drop. Earnings every moment. Withdraw anytime if you are using capitalization of interest. You can withdraw only after the end of your investment plans. We have two types of tariff plans, which different periods and different percentages of profitability. So the number one plan is the unlock plan, which is where you can withdraw your profits anytime. And it goes like this. So the savings is classic, is premium. So the savings is for 14 days. You get 8% daily, which gives us a total of 112%. But I mean, if there's a 10% withdrawal fee, then I guess, this is only for the users that would withdraw at the end of the 14 days, which would basically mean that you will only be earning 102%, which would basically mean that you'll be earning 102% because there's a 10% withdrawal tax fee. So just keep that in mind, guys. The classic is for 21 days, where you earn 6.5% daily, and that gives us a total profit of 135% in profit. Premium is 28 days, where you earn 5% daily, and that totals up to be 140% in profit. The initial reward percent increases every day by 0.5%. For example, on savings plan, on the day 20 of the project, the reward percent will already be equal to 18% per day, which is you can basically do the calculation. So this will be 20 days times the 0.5% daily. So you multiply that plus the 8%, which is the base interest rate. The reward The reward percent is fixed, which is this at the start of the plan. For example, on the 12th day of your plan, the reward percentage will remain the same to the end of your investment. So this is plan 2, which is basically locked, so you cannot withdraw your profits. So there's silver, which is for 14 days, where you earn where you earn 8% daily, which gives us a profit of 193%, which is almost, I like that. So as you can see from here to here is 193%. So of course the lot plans are going to be way more profitable. As you can see, the goal is the same 21 days, 6.5% per day. At the end of those 21 days, you will receive a profit of 275%, and the platinum is 5% daily as the previous one, but at the end you will earn 292%. Now here's the explanation of the profits. The reward percentage increases by 0.05 every day. This plan type uses capitalization of interest, which is daily compounding, to calculate the percentage of the profit. For example, in day 1 you will get 8% of basically 1 Matic, so you will get 1.08 Matic. On the second day you will already receive 8.5% of your Matic, and it goes down like that. As you can see, at the third day obviously will be 9%. So as you can see how that compounds, and how that will be way more than if you can than the unlock plans. You can use the inbuilt reward calculator to see upfront your expected ROI by inputting your amount of the investment in a specific box. Number 3, the profit percent grows daily. As you can see, well, as I explained earlier, we know how that grows. And there's a referral system, to be quite honest. There's a get additional income by inviting people for your link. So for example, you will get 5% from each level 1 referral deposit, 2.5% from each level 2 referral deposit. Then there's the 0.5% from each level 3 referral deposit. And basically the explanation for that is that number 1, you need to have at least 1 deposit to start receiving earnings. You need to use a referral link to record the people you refer. Of course, your reward is credited to a separate place in the smart contract and can be withdrawn at any time by pressing the withdraw button. And here is the social handles, so you have them on Telegram and on Twitter as well. I will post these in the description. The contract, you could go and check out the official contract address and what's not here. And this is the MKS token coming airdrop. So the Maticstaker is designed to have a token to power its DeFi high yield program and keep the project continuous. Did I read that wrong? Maticstaker is designed to have a Maticstaker is designed to have a token to power its DeFi high yield program and keep the program continuous. Or keeping the program. I'm not even going over that. 50% of the initial token supply will be distributed to the users of the platform who have staked their Matic tokens in any of the locked plans. Tokens will be airdropped on the 5th of April. For more information, you can check out the tokenomics and what's not. As you can see right here is for more information about the token and the ID and whatever the case may be. And yeah, let's head over to the dashboard. As I told you guys, this has a very simple website layout. It's very easy to maneuver, especially for people that are new to this sort of investing. And yeah, they're audited as well, so I guess if that is a security clearance for any of you crypto investors, you can go and check out the audit here and read through here and what's not. But yeah, it has a very simplistic and smooth website or dashboard, and we will be investing in this today. Which one do I want to try? Man, we're gonna put it inside of the lock. So we're gonna try the locked one, which is basically 14 days. This is the silver, and yeah, let's see how much Matic I have inside of my wallet first. All right, so we're gonna deposit, let's say, at least 20 Matic, and our investment should be basically double within these 14 days. And yeah, let's go. Processing. And as you guys just saw, this percentage just went up. Yeah, this percentage just went up. I like that what we like. So as you can see, we have 20 Matic staked, and I will check in on this in a couple of days to see how far we've gotten. Maticstaker, just see I just invested live. I will be sharing the results of my journey on Twitter. I will leave my handle inside of the description. And yeah, guys, that's basically it. If y'all guys want to invest in Maticstaker, I will leave the website link below. It will be the first link. And yeah,